So one of the features I wanted to talk about is recording audio on your phone, specifically when you're doing a screen recording and recording audio. You can touch this button right here. It'll record the screen, but you won't have any microphone. So what you have to do is you have to hold this button down like this. And before you start recording, you got to make sure where it says here that the microphone is off. You touch that and turn it on, it'll turn red. So that way, when you start the screen recording by touching here, record it with sound and you can talk to it. If you don't do that, you're going to record your screen and the audio track is not going to be recorded. If you need to record something on your iPhone, specifically a video, you need to make sure that you long press on this button, microphone on, before you start recording. And if you do that, you will record your screen and you will record the audio and you'll be all set.